So just like at the AACA Museum in Hershey, they have a Tucker down here. This clearly was used in a movie or something because it's a little banged up. But you can see another Tucker, not clearly not as extensive as the AACA Museum, but nonetheless, a Tucker lives here. Hey, it's Jason. I'm in Orlando, Florida, and I'm going to Dezerland, which is a big museum, game room, and all of this other stuff. And it has various cars and automobilia. So I'm gonna go inside and walk you through as we go through it. It is July 4th, it's hot, but this used to be a shopping mall, and I think it's like 850,000 square feet. Just like at the AACA Museum in Hershey, they have a Tucker down. You can see another Tucker, not clearly a museum, but nonetheless, a Tucker lives here. of course I'm a sucker for the Comutacar, just like what I have. There's a yellow one and a white one. Vanguard Sebring. This looks like one from the 70s probably. The one over here looks like it's maybe 70s as well. Actually, these are both older than what I have, but it's super cool. I love this museum, and what I like about it so far are the themed rooms. Everywhere you go, there's like a theme. Electric vehicles, scooters, the 30s. So it's organized, so it's not too overwhelming.